In toward Wesley, dumps it back. Whoa! Crossover move by Mitchell. Oh, he's got it. Oh my! As Mitchell with the move decked the youngster in Sohan. He gives the Cavaliers a 15-point lead. Here's Bullock screening. Kyrie with the drive. And a fantastic move. The defense went one way, but he went the other.
He's big time. There's no question about it.
Execution, stagger screen for a great shooter, and then your big man on the catch pitch into the corner.
LaMelo Ball looks at the official. Dedrick Taylor looking for a call.
Visão Hoppers, antes do vídeo continuar, tem uma dica insana aqui pra você que quer assistir o basquete da TV, do celular ou do computador. O aplicativo é o IPTV, rapaziada. Tem de tudo nele, tem todos os filmes, séries e canais abertos nele. Na descrição do vídeo vai ter um link aplicativo pra vocês, caso você tenha interesse. Então continue com o vídeo, tamo junto, é nóis.
And Ben Simmons being a terror defensively.
Oh, Levine! Wow! First the handles, then the explosion. Wasn't quite ready for it.
And Giannis with a dunk and a foul.
That's because he took off so far away. The set didn't believe he could get to the rim. He tried to get there.
Really excited for this matchup with Sabonis and Alpi.
KJ, just stuffed it on Sabonis.
Excuse me, Sabonis and KJ Martin.
A little stink face for KJ too as he came down the other way.
Oh, the emphatic slam.
Nasty, sassy stuff. Powell talking trash. Teammates going berserk.
That's a nice 1-2 combination. Two ball handlers to attack this. Steph, 10-3. NBA season high in threes made.
Shot clock at 7.
Reeves. What did we? My goodness.
I know what we just saw. Austin Reeves has a highlight.
Green again the switch, and West has got the defensive assignment. Paul with the bounce. West may have turned an ankle, and the shot by Chris is in. Chris has got 20. 8-point game.
DeAndre Capella switched on to Luka. Luka with the step back three. Oh yeah!
And then just one more for the rodeo. And you say if you don't know, now you know.
Sexton high in the air. He's off and running again. And Mathurin blocked it.
He smashed it. You coming down with all.
Halliburton on the run. He's got Buddy one way. He'll get it himself. Jackson meets him up top. Pings it to the window. What a play defensively.
Out to Levine. Vucevic underneath. Oh, Jaren Jackson Jr. Holy cow, what a block. Get that shot out of here.
Wainwright. Oh, yeah, that's sent out of bounds.
Brown, a three-pointer. Got it! What a start.
Maxey 19, and they're only one game on the loss side behind Boston.
Oh, and Embiid goes right around Jokic and then smashes the rim.
Indiana's 4 of 5 from long range. Durant's got 11. Craig goes down. Durant has got a highlight. KD doing damage from the perimeter.
22.
Exactly, 22.
Oh my goodness! Oh, stop it! Dennis Smith Jr. with an impressive elevating dunk.
Oh my goodness!
That came out of nowhere. Rebound by Adams, his 6th. Morant blows by Primo. Attack! Oh! Holy cow! That is unbelievable!
32 minutes. Drives on Millsap, bounces off him once, takes him down low, up and under and down! What a play by Doncic! 22.
Takes him low, up and under, stop.
MVPs going at one another. Shot clock at 7. Harden.
Look at all the dancing here by Harden versus Curry. Little step back crossover.
Irving the crossover against Bonga. Boy.
Somehow kept his pivot foot down. There's Kyrie.
We're going to count the oohs on this play.
I mean, that's two.
Here we go.
By OKC tonight. Oh, killer step back. Bang! For Mitchell for the 44th time. What a killer shot.
A little dancing.
Fair cross court. McBride drives baseline. And he got it packed by Claxton. Put that on the defensive.
Big step for the Celtics.
Shooting's been down. Horford just 31%. He's got a rebound. Bain missed. Tatum on the push. Morant tried to slow him down. Oh! Jackson with a great block. Takes the ball. Ooh, chase down.
That
spectacular.
Is a great
DiVincenzo rotating here to Poole. Drop it low to Green. Gives to the cutter. DiVincenzo. He brings it back and unloads. And a foul. Claxton goes to the bench. Kendrick Nunn throws it down. Puts the foul. Wow. Nunn with a hammer.
Oh, 237, but he has a 7'6" wingspan. Oh! That's a man's jam! Jason Tatum! Oh my!
McCollum in his bag. Oh, like the fries are at the bottom. Oh! CJ McCollum with an array. Final minute of overtime. Morant hesitation. There was absolutely nothing there. And he created something. Just spin out of it.
Oh my! Somebody give Kent Bazemore a map so he can locate James Harden.
Well, James is in the lane shooting a floater.
Johnson. He goes down the lane and throws it down in the foul. What a slam by Johnson.
And up ahead, Kuminga. Oh! Jonathan Kuminga! And a foul! Playoff seeding too.
Yep. James again throwing it down the face of Usani Ilyasova to give him 41.
Still 2 points only, right?
Well, it's a...
Then the handoff. Now the shot clock at 2. The mismatch on Adams.
Oh no, he didn't. Jamal Murray, don't do him like that.
Here's Westbrook, 1 of 7.
We'll be to double digits. Shea once again going to work on McLaughlin on the step back, and he buries it.
That's one of those plays you hope that there's a whistle and it's an offensive.
47 and 40% for Beasley.
Lillard attacks, flies through the air and stuffs it.
We weren't even sure Jalen Brunson was going to play tonight. Hurt his foot on Sunday, and he comes up with a 30-point game despite being questionable coming in. A homecoming for Brunson. He just put the Bulls away with a triple.
4, despite Brooklyn shooting 61%. Here he comes! Oh, another poster for Bam Adebayo. Put that on your wall as soon as you get it. A crusher from Bam. Look out, Joe Harris. Thomas to Durant. The fake. The second. Oh! Ankle breaker! KD!
By 10.
Well, I said it wasn't going to be easy tonight. I think this is a prime example of just that. Putting Gafford in the spin cycle for easy. They need to be defensively. Edwards! Oh, my! On his head! Edwards driving. Oh! Hide your wife! Hide your kids!